Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are going to talk about hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a beautiful art that uses a needle and thread to create patterns on fabric. People have enjoyed embroidery for hundreds of years and it is still popular today because it allows us to make unique and colorful designs by hand. Hand embroidery is not only a hobby but also a way to express creativity. With just a piece of fabric, a needle and some colorful threads, you can create wonderful designs that make clothes, bags, pillow covers and many other items look special. There are many types of hand embroidery designs. Some are simple and easy for beginners while others are detailed and more advanced. One of the most popular designs is the floral design. Flowers are beautiful, colorful and easy to create using different embroidery stitches. Roses, sunflowers, daisies and small wildflowers are common choices. Floral embroidery can be used on dresses, shirts, tablecloths and home decoration. Another popular design is leaf patterns. Leaves can be embroidered alone or combined with flowers. They add a natural and elegant look to any project. Different shades of green thread can make leaf designs look more realistic and attractive. Many people also enjoy creating geometric designs. These designs use shapes such as circles, squares, triangles and lines. Geometric embroidery often looks modern and stylish. It is a great choice for decorating bags, cushions and wall hangings. Animal designs are also loved by embroidery artists. Birds, butterflies, cats, rabbits, and many other animals can be stitched into fabric. These designs are fun and bring life and personality to embroidery projects. Some people like to embroider words, names, or short quotes. This is called lettering embroidery. Personalized embroidery makes wonderful gifts because it adds a special and personal touch. Now let's talk about some basic embroidery stitches. The running stitch is one of the easiest stitches. It is often used for outline and simple patterns. The back stitch is another common stitch. It creates strong, smooth lines and is perfect for outlining designs. The satin stitch is used to fill shapes with thread. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.